Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Anthony here. I've got my morning espresso. I'm going to get into the dividends that I was paid in June, and I'm going to go through the companies that I'm going to buy this week. So stick around. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well. Yes, I've got my morning espresso. I'm going to have a quick sip of that. That's awesome. I just want to say a huge thank you to every single one of you out there who have subscribed to the channel. I love this community. It's building so fast. It's really cool, and I love talking with all of you in the comments, in the community tab as well. It's a really cool place to talk about cryptos and dividend stocks, all kinds of stuff to do with finance. If you're new, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe button. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because I love doing these videos on a regular basis. I try to put out as many as I can during the week to give you updates with what I'm doing, what I'm buying, and just to talk about cryptos and projects in general, and dividend stocks obviously as well. So, little disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and due diligence. Don't take what I say as financial advice. You need to be privy to everything that's going on here. It can be extremely risky and volatile, and I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt, all right? So please jump on the internet. It is free in the palm of your hand. You can do your own research, all right? Go through everything, get confident, then jump in from there. So today's video is going to be a little different. Obviously, I do a lot of crypto videos as well, because it does form part of my investing portfolio here. But the other one is dividend investing in particular. It has been a huge part of my investing journey for many years now, and I have built a decent portfolio, and it's taken me a lot of time and dedication, because you need to reinvest dividends. You need to invest money consistently every week, or as often as you can. So I'll get into my portfolio now. So I've got Apple open here, but my portfolio is sitting at $27,863.52 USD. So that has taken me a long time to get to this point, I can tell you now, because buying US stocks in Australia, I use Stake, by the way. There is a referral link below. If you sign up, we can get a stock in GoPro, Dropbox, or Nike. You can use that. We can get a stock in there, so that's cool. But buying Australian dollars to US dollars has been a nightmare, because the currency exchange is quite expensive. So for me to buy US stocks, it is expensive. It's almost virtually twice the price when you've got 3 times the price. So it's been a long journey. So I've got a day return of $257.85 USD. That's 0.92%, sorry, and I've had a total return of 35.43%, which is insane. $7,289.09. That is because I bought all throughout 2020 when the market crashed in March. I took advantage of that, and I continued to dollar cost average into stocks throughout the entire 2020, and I've benefited from that. Hence the reason why you're seeing a 35% return, because I bought the dip. Very similar to cryptos. When you buy the dip, you just dollar cost average in, and you take advantage of that, as Warren Buffett says, and I've got it on my wall here. Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. There you go. It works. Warren Buffett knows. The guy's been in the market a long time, and he knows what he's talking about. Anyway, so as I said, I'm predominantly a dividend investor. I like dividends because they provide me a form of passive income every single month, and it just grows over time. The more you reinvest the dividends, the more you invest into these companies, the more you're going to get out of it, and the quicker you'll see that compounding interest grow over time, the snowball effect. So it just continues to grow, which is incredible. I do invest in growth stocks. I've got 3 main growth stocks, which is SPHD, which is Virgin Galactic. I've got 50 shares of them. I've got 4 shares of Tesla, and I've also got about 31 shares of NEO, which is another EV company. So they're the 3 growth stocks that I'm invested in. They don't pay dividends. They are just long-term growth stocks that will increase in value over time. Fingers crossed. And obviously, when I'm ready, I'll eventually sell those if I so choose to do so for a profit when they do that. But they're growth stocks. So the main form of investing is dividend investing. So I basically got a huge portfolio here of dividend stocks, and I'm going to get into what I've been paid in June this year, because it was a big month for me in terms of dividend payments. So let's get into that now, and I'm going to go scroll to my dividends here. And I'm going to keep scrolling down to June. There's so many dividends here. And this is what I mean by passive income, guys. You can imagine these big hedge funds and companies that get in like millions of dollars of dividends every single month. It'd be ridiculous. But let's keep scrolling down here. So I'm going to scroll all the way down to the 1st of June. So here we go here. And I've got a couple of buys in here as well. Stocks that I've bought. Okay, so here we go. The first one dividend I got was from LTC Properties, so it was 5 cents. We get taxed 15% here in Australia, just letting you all know. That's why you see the red. That's 15% of the dividend, which is really annoying, but I think the US residents pay around 30% tax there on their dividends. I'm not sure, but anyway, that's what we pay here because we're not US residents. So LTC is 5 cents. SPHD is an ETF. I got paid $6.49 from them. Starbucks paid me 52 cents. OXSQ paid me 22 cents. PGX paid me 6 cents. SJR paid 4 cents. WRK paid me 6 cents. Gain paid me 70 cents. LAND paid 9 cents. WFC dividend paid 2 cents there. That is my journal. That is when I put money into this. I put $761 US. I bought Apple, KMB, which is Kimberly Clark, which is a great dividend payer, by the way. ExxonMobil, I bought more of that. So now we get back into dividends. I bought a dividend of, I got a dividend of VCLT, which is long-term bonds, which is a Vanguard product, the 35 cents. PFE, which is Pfizer, I received 21 cents. Here we go, another journal entry. I put another $764 US. I got a free stock in GoPro, so thank you to that person. KO, I bought Coca-Cola, AT&T, Apple, ExxonMobil, Procter & Gamble. I received a dividend from TLT of 2 cents. Johnson & Johnson, 33 cents. VLO, 12 cents. UPS, the packaging shipping company, 14 cents. AG&C is like a finance company. They paid me $1.54. CVX is Chevron. They paid me 47 cents. EMR paid a dividend of 8 cents. ExxonMobil is my biggest dividend payer. It paid me $56. That is insane. I got taxed $8, which is annoying, but still $50. That'll basically buy me almost a full share in ExxonMobil. So this is the reason why compounding is so important. And you can notice you'll notice this start to snowball once you've got a decent amount in there, and it just goes on its own pretty much, and you just reinvest those dividends. So it's incredible. That's a huge dividend, by the way. So IBM paid me 16 cents. Target paid me 6 cents. Unilever paid me 8 cents. Another journal entry here, another $377. It's like $500 AUD. So I bought straight into ExxonMobil. 3M paid me 49 cents. Journal entry again, another $100 or so. And I bought Apple. Stag paid me, this is an industrial REIT. It paid me $1.22, which is great. This is a monthly payer, by the way, so I get this every month. Realty paid me $5.24. This is a great monthly dividend pay, so you get this every month. K is, I believe it's Kellogg's. I just have to double check, but I think it is. So it's paid me 16 cents. Key Property Group paid me 11 cents. Main Street Capital paid me $1.22. AMC ARB dividend paid me 13 cents. ERF paid me 15 cents. McDonald's paid me a dividend of 6 cents. PBA Pembina Pipeline, this is like gas and oil, they paid me 89 cents. VTRS paid me a dividend of 1 cent. Duke Energy obviously, they paid me 11 cents. Gain paid me 60 cents. Prospect Capital is another one of my big holdings. They paid me $6.27. They're like business finance, like capital and stuff that need, businesses that need capital. And then here we go, I reinvested dividends that I received, and I bought AT&T, so $13.77. WM is Waste Management. Bill Gates actually owns a substantial amount of waste management. He paid me 7 cents. Here we got journal entry here, $70.43, another one of 1,000. So I bought SPHD, $391. I bought Coca-Cola, Kimberly Clark, and Stag. Here we go here, dividend, Dominion Energy, I believe that is, paid me 25 cents. FLO paid me 9 cents here. VYM is the index fund, like a high dividend yield Vanguard ETF or index fund. So you're investing in 500 companies when you buy this. It paid me a dividend of $11.80. VXUS paid me a dividend of 45 cents. VYM buy, so I reinvested dividends again because of that huge dividend big dividend from VYM. I bought more of VYM. So you can see what I mean by you just keep reinvesting dividends, you just keep growing your money here. So 28th of June, BAC's Bank of America paid me 18 cents. LMT's Lockheed Martin paid me 28 cents. Again, another journal entry of $897 USD, which is about 1,200 Australian, sorry. I bought more SPHD, Realty, and Stag. SCHD paid me a dividend as well. This is like a Schwab, I think it's Charles Schwab. It paid me 11 cents, so it's another index fund. VTI paid me 14 cents. Here we go. VNQ paid me 16 cents. SJR paid me a dividend of 4 cents. PGX paid me a dividend of 6 cents. Pepsi on the 1st of July. So now we're getting into July, so I'll just quickly go through it. 66 cents. OSXQ paid me another dividend of 22 cents. LTC Properties paid me 5 cents. Land, LAND paid me 9 cents. Gain paid me 70 cents. CNI, dividend of 6 cents. SPHD again, 1st of July, because it was a short month in June, paid $6.87 this the 1st of July. Coca-Cola paid me 93 cents. Nike paid me a dividend of 5 cents. They haven't got a big dividend yield. They've got a very low dividend yield. GPC, General Parts Co. paid me 9 cents. VOO paid me 93 cents. EMN paid me 9 cents, and KMB, Kimberly-Clark, paid me $1.23. They have a very big dividend. They paid $1.14 per share of Kimberly-Clark. So you can see what I'm interested. And I did reinvest those dividends, into EPD, which is Enterprise Products Partners. They have increased their dividends consecutively, which is incredible. But the main companies I'm going to be buying are KRMB. Their dividend yield is incredible at $1.14 at the moment, and their products are obviously toilet papers and nappies and all that kind of stuff. So it's not going away anywhere. So I'm choosing to buy Kimberly-Clark. I'm going to be buying more AT&T. I'm going to be building up on this, although there is some risk associated with that, but I don't see any risk with AT&T. I'm going to be buying more, and probably more of ExxonMobil and Apple, and I may invest more into SPHD because I like those monthly dividends coming in. So KMB, AT&T, Apple, SPHD, and probably XOM as well, so ExxonMobil. So I'm just going to get into my dividend tracking now. I'm not associated with this app, so this is one that I found in my pocket because there's other websites out there that charge a lot of money to use these dividend trackers. This is pretty basic. It's like $10 a month, if not less. But it's really handy tool to keep an eye on your dividends. So I'm now receiving $1,208.33 a year in annual dividends, which is awesome. I'm receiving $100 a month on average and 69 cents, and a day $3.31 a day. My average yield across my entire portfolio is sitting at 4.42%, which is a great yield because anything above 6 or 7 is starting to get a bit high there. So I've got a really good 3 to 5 range. That's what I like to stick in. Top 3 payers are ExxonMobil, $400 a year. SPHD is $136 a year. Prospect Capital is now at $99 a year, which is awesome. I've got a goal of $20,000 now set on my dividends because that would provide a decent amount of money every week coming in, which is awesome. So I've reached 6% of that. It'll take me some time. 33% of my dividends come from energy minerals companies, and dividends receivable this month is $34. And if you go to my Australian converted portfolio, is sitting at $36,927.57 AUD, and I've had a 35% return of $9,601.96. So that is incredible because I bought all throughout 2020. And we'll keep scrolling all the way down here because I love looking at this. These are all my holdings, by the way. If you go to 10 years, so my portfolio is going to be worth $57,000, and it'll generate me $3,900 a year in passive income. And if you go to 20 years, it'll be worth $178,000, and it will generate me $20,874 a year. That is if I do not invest any more of my own money. It will just go on its own, and I'm hoping to get that well above that before 20 years. So it takes a long time for dividend investing, but that's pretty much it, guys. That is dividend investing in a nutshell. It is very different to cryptos, I can tell you that much. It takes a lot more time, and but it is passive income coming in every single month. So that's just what I wanted to show you. That is my dividend portfolio as at the 7th of July 2021. All right, so if you want to use Stake, use the link below. We can get a stock in Dropbox, GoPro, or Nike. All right, let me know what you think about dividend investing. If you've stuck around this long, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Make sure you smash that like button. It really helps the algorithm. All right, stay safe, happy investing. I'll put out a crypto video very soon as well. Cheers. Bye.